Hello everyone, this is Visheshta and welcome back to the channel. Do you have the same cardboard pieces lying at one corner of your house, which you get while you are doing an online shopping? Well, try out this DIY to decorate your home. Well, it's not that too hard to do. What you have to do is take 3 cardboard rectangular pieces. The dimensions are mentioned in the screen. Mark 4 holes and hole it using a punching machine or a sharp object. Here I am using a divider. Once you are done, to do the holes in one cardboard piece, do it in the other 2 pieces as well. After that, take 3 different A4 size colored papers. I used green, red and purple here. Now, take your cardboard piece and wrap it with your colored paper like so. How I am doing? Once you are finished wrapping your cardboard pieces with colored papers, take one of the cardboard piece and mark the holes which we did earlier. Now do the same in the other 2 pieces as well. Now start writing your favorite motivational quotes on your cardboard pieces. Now draw additional elements on your wall hanging so that it looks beautiful. If you're still there watching my video, then I'm sure you're liking the process till now. If yes, then hit the like button, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once you have finished decorating all your cardboard pieces, start tying them using wool or a jute rope. So in this way, your beautiful wall hanger will be ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much and meet you in my next video.